Hello, welcome to the channel. City and Guilds Functional Skills Level 2 Sample Paper 2, which has a calculator paper. Right, so you're allowed to use a calculator paper, but they're more difficult. Right, so let's have a look. Get this to go up and down, yes. Right, question 1. 0.06 million. 0.06 divided by 6.2 thousand. Well, let's have a look what a million is, yeah? There's a million, so 0.6 of a million would be there, so it's there, 0.06 of a million. Yeah, it's that, divided by 6.2 thousand. Right, so calculate for that one. 60,123 divided by 6200. 9.6. Give your answer to two decimal places. 9.68. 3 over 87. 3 divided by 87. As a decimal, correct to three decimal places. 0.034. Yeah. Right, this is horrible ones to start with. The diagram shows the outline of a building. Which one of the following shows the elevation of the left side of the building? So that's that. So it's this one here. Oh, see, alright. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, please. Help it grow. 1 meter cubed is the same as. Oh, we're going to make it into centimeters. So 1 meter is 100 centimeters times 100 times 100. So we've got 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 is that one. A social club sells pink raffle tickets and yellow raffle tickets. What's the probability the first ticket drawn will be pink? So it's 50 out of all of them, 125. Give your answer as a decimal. Right. 50 divided by 125 is 0.4. The chart shows the finishing time of marathon runners. The report says most of the runners finished in under 4 hours. Is it correct? So do 4 hours and go up there. Whoa. Yeah. So compare the two halves. So I think most of the people are over here. No. Tick the box. No. Most are over 4 hours. Right, a shop has a sale. There's 30% all black tag items. Right, 30% off, reduced price, £20, £21. And then they have another notice, an extra 25%. It's better than half price. So we've got to find the original price. So £21 is 70% of the original price. So if I do 21 divided by 70 times 100, this will find me the original price. So 21 divided by 70 times 100 is 30. So original price was £30. So we're looking for a final thing better than half price. We're looking for £15. Is it better? Now, we've got a reduced price of £21 and an extra 25% off of that. So let's find out what 25% of that is. So 21 times 25 divided by 100 is £5.25. £5.25 discount. So 21 take away £5.25 is £15.75. £15.75. Right. It's not true. Is the customer right? The customer is correct. Yes. It's not true. Black tag price is $15.75, not better than half of £30. The craftsman uses resin to make a paperweight. He makes a paperweight from two parts, the hemisphere and a cylinder. Right. How much resin does he need? So we've got to work out the volume of both, haven't we? So let's do the cylinder. Cylinder first. And cylinder is pi r squared times the height. So what we're going to use pi, 3.14 times the radius, which is half of that, which is 3 squared, times the height is 5. So that will equal 3.14 times 3 threes are 9 times 5. So that equals 141.3, 141.3. What about this? Volume of the hemisphere is that. So the hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cubed, which is 2/3 times 3.14 times r cubed. The same as r is cubed. Don't need to know the height, that's a waste of time. R cubed, let's have a 3. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So that will be the top bit. So 2 divided by 3 times 3.14 times 27 equals 56.52. Add the other bit, 141.3, and we get 197.82 centimeters cubed. You let me know if I get any of these wrong, yeah? Gardener wants to build the greenhouse in the top right hand corner. Yes, okay. Okay, so there's, she will leave a 50 minutes. She wants a scale plan of the garden showing the business of the greenhouse. Draw a scale plan, put the scale on your plan. So we've got to draw the garden and then put the greenhouse in the top. Right, so let's have a look. So 5.5 meters. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. Oh, we'll do it that way, yeah? So 5.5. So here's the thing. That's 1 meter. Yeah, 2 squares equals 1 meter. So the garden is 5.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5, and it's 5.5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. Okay, over here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and over here is 2.5. 1, 2.5, and so it's going to join up like that. Now 50 centimeter space is a 1 square. Yeah. Now we need a greenhouse of 2.5, so we're going to go 1, 2.5, 2.5 meters, and over here we're going to have 2 meters. 1, 2. So just do that. Just, it was bigger than I thought, but there you are. Greenhouse. Put the scale you use on the plan. Yeah, it did that. Yeah, okay. Done. Done. What's going on here? Sausages and hot dogs. A student wants to raise £100 for charity. He will sell hot dogs at a disco. He will make 150 hot dogs. He buys ingredients at the supermarkets. She sells all the hot dogs. What's the minimum price you must pay to make a profit. So what do we do? 150 hot dog sausages. So 150 divided by 8 is 18.75 tins. So we need 19 tins times 50p. Well, these are cheap. 19 times 0.5 is £9.50. And hot dog buns in a packet of 6. So 150 divided by 6. 150 divided by 6 means we get 25. So 25 packs at 90p. 25 times 0.9 is £22.50. £22.50. So this is how much it's costing him. So let's add those up there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 3. So the cost to buy all the ingredients is £32. He wants to raise £100 for charity. If he sells all the hot dogs, what's the minimum price he needs to make a profit of £100? So he needs to make the profit of £100 plus the £32 it cost him, which is £132. Yeah, so that makes the profit of 132. So if we divide that by divide that by 150 hot dogs, we'll find the price. So 132 divided by 150 is 88 pence. 88 pence per hot dog. So 88 times 150 is £132, which covers the £32 it took to buy them and £100 profit. A supermarket compares large eggs from 2 suppliers. She wants to buy the largest eggs. Table shows the mass of a sample of eggs from supplier A. Similar samples made and given a value of 65. So we've got to find the mean of these. So midpoint times the number of eggs is 64 times 66 times 68 times 70 times 72 equals. Right, and then we add all those up and divide it by all the eggs. So 12 times 64 is 768. 27 times 66, 27 times 66 is 1782. 1782, that's a 6. 26 times 68, 26 times 68 is 1768. 1768. And 15 times 70 is 1050. 1050. And 10 times, 720. Right, add all that lot up, see what that is, yeah? So 768 plus 1782 plus 1768 plus 1050 plus 720 equals 606088. Right, how many eggs? 22 plus 27 plus 26 plus 15 plus 10 is 100. There's 100 eggs. Right, so 6088 divided by 100 equals 6.088 grams is the average. No, it's not. It's divided up by 1,000 there, didn't I? Silly me. So that's 60.88 grams from farm A or supplier A. A similar sample taken of B is 66. He wants to buy the biggest eggs, so he's going to apply B. Yeah, A equals 60.88 grams and B equals 66.5 grams. Yeah, A largest. I don't think we have to say by how much. 6 and a bit, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Right. A man has £5,000. He'll put his money into a savings bank. He wants to save it for a year. Bank A pays 2% compound interest, and it adds interest every 6 months. Bank B is annual. So Bank A, 2% compound interest adds every 6 months. So we're going to have £5,000 times 1.02, and you're going to do it twice, squared. So that's the 100. That's the one. That's 5,000. There's the 2%. We're doing it twice, and so that will equal 5,000 times 1.02 squared is 5202. 5202. Bank B is the £5,000 times 3.15 times 1.0315 equals, yeah. This is just a quicker way of finding out what 3.15% is and adding it on. It does it automatically. So we got 5,000 times 1.0315. You don't have to do it this way, but it's quicker. 5157.20. So which bank should the man choose? He should choose Bank A. Bank A gives more. Garden birds. An environmental organisation record the information about birds. The graph shows some data about 2 types of garden birds, chaffinch and sparrow. In the magazine, is the magazine correct? Fewer birds seen in our garden. Birds in decline. That's the headline. Show suitable calculations, percentage change for the last 10 years, and draw trend lines. So let's do a trend line on there. So, it's not much of a trend line, is it? Do you think we need to do like we're doing a scatter graph thing? Yeah. So let's do a scatter graph. Must be right. So yeah, let's do a trend line there. Yeah. There's a trend line there, and there's a trend line there. Right. Show suitable calculation percentage change. So the little star is a sparrow. 0% change. And the chaffinch has gone from 4 birds seen. Now we've only seen 2. So chaffinch from 4 down to 2, which is a 50% reduction. A team manager wants to pick 4 people for a bowling competition. Right, so decides to pick players with consistently good averages, medians, yeah. She picks the following 3 people, yeah. Now she picks 1 more player to make up the team. Is it going to be Dave or is it going to be Elaine? Make suitable calculations for Dave and Elaine. So we've got the range and the mean over here. So let's do these. So for Dave, the range is the difference between the biggest, which is 102 minus 48. 54, isn't it? 102 minus 48 is 54. And for Elaine, range is 101 minus, what's the smallest? 79. 79. So 101 minus 79 equals 22. Right, so Dave, the mean. Now we're going to add all these up and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Dave mean. So we've got 78 plus 48 plus 102 plus 98 plus 86 plus 101 plus 67 plus 96 equals, so I'll put these numbers in case, 676 divided by how many was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8 equals 84.5. 84.5. Now Elaine, the mean, add all Elaine up. So 87 plus 98 plus 101 plus 84 plus 93 plus 79 plus 87 plus 97 equals 726. 726 also divided by 8 is 90.75. 90.75. So who are you going to pick? Elaine's range, she's more consistent, and also she's got a higher mean. So I'm going to pick Elaine. Right, Elaine, more consistent. And higher mean. Fisherman sets off from Dunsey in a boat. His boat will travel at an average speed of 5 kilometres. He has this map so he can avoid the rocks. I think you need more than a map. How can you avoid the rocks with a map? He will meet up with his ship at a coordinate of L34. L34 is there. Where's he going? Dunsey. He needs to know what time he has to leave Dunsey. So he's going to go straight lines. It'll be easier, yeah? So he's going to go, just avoids the rocks. And then goes down there. Oops. And then goes down there. Right, so we need one of these triangles to help us here. Speed, distance, time thing. Right, so this boat's going to be an average of 5 kilometres. So we're going to find out, look at the scale, 1 centimetre. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So he's going to go 13 centimetres. So 13 times 25,000. 13 times 25, 1, 2, 3, is that 325,000 centimeters. Make it into meters. 3,250 meters. And look, we want kilometers, don't we? So divide by 1,000. 3.25 kilometers. So that's the distance he's got to go. He's going to go at 5 kilometers an hour. So we got to work out how long it's going to take him. So time is distance over speed. So time is distance over speed. The distance is 3.25. The speed is 5. So 3.25 divided by 5 is 0.65 of an hour. Right, so 0.65 times 60, that'll tell me how many minutes. 39 minutes. 39 minutes is going to take him to get there. Would have been easy to go around the path, wouldn't it? Anyway, he's decided to go in the boat. So he's going to get there at 5 o'clock. So we've got to do 5 p.m. minus the 39 minutes. So I'll call it 40 minutes. So that'll be 4:20, 4:21, 4:21 p.m. Leave. Didn't like that one, but never mind, there's the end of that one. Okay, so don't forget, let me know if I've got anything wrong. So to help the channel grow, please subscribe. Make a comment about anything that I've done wrong or something you'd like me to do. Put your thumbs up or otherwise, just so I know somebody's watched it. And down below there's other videos to watch. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.